Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel Tech It Simple. In today's video, we're gonna look at how you can fix Messenger bubble not showing. Messenger bubble or Messenger chat head is a function of Messenger that allows you to chat on Messenger while using other apps. This is a very useful feature of Messenger. So if you are facing the problem of this bubble not showing, follow the steps that I'm going to show you in this video to fix the problem. But before that, make sure you are subscribed to our channel and also turn on the notification so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. So the first thing you can do is go over to the Messenger and click on your profile. Then if you scroll down, make sure that your chat head option is toggled on. If it is toggled off, you may face the problem that the chat head is not showing. Even after you do that, the chat head is not showing, then what you can do is make sure that your Messenger is up to date. Go to Play Store and check if your Messenger has any new updates. If it has, then make sure to update it, because updating apps fixes any kinds of bugs. So make sure that is updated. The last thing you can do is hold the Messenger app and go to app info. From here you can clear the data of Messenger. You can clear both data and the cache of Messenger. After you do that, make sure that you remember the email address and password of your Messenger, because removing the data of Messenger will also remove email address and password from your device. So try out the things that I showed in this video. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, give us a thumbs up, and we will be soon back with more videos similar to this. Thank you for watching.